everyone. We're coming to you live on 2K Sports, bringing you the NBA. I'm Kevin Harlan, joined by Chris Webber and Greg Anthony. David Aldridge is our sideline reporter. We've got the Boston Celtics and the Chicago Bulls. It'll be the Celtics off the tip. Here's Bird. There's the pass to McHale. And it's blocked. Back to Pippen. Now on the scoring column with that bucket. Johnson surveying the floor. They grab their own miss.
Their focus next trip has to be getting a high-quality shot. I mean, they don't want to start the game 0 for 5.
Goes straight to the defender for the dunk. Draws the foul. He'll go to the line. It's on Larry Bird.
And he can do a lot more damage to the rim than that when he wants to.
Oh, you're right. And with the lead they're enjoying, I'm surprised he didn't put a little something extra on that one.
And a fearless score.
Bird's shot is good.
I tell you, he has some impressive moves in his repertoire. That's as good as it gets, but just one of many.
That shot, no good. Nice D from Bird. Here's McHale. Bucket is good.
Attacking.
Passes to Jordan. And it's in after a nice bounce off the right side.
Yeah, nice timing there on that catch and shoot. Jordan with such a musical rhythm to his game.
McHale outside. Back to Johnson. The pass to Bird. Fade away. Here's Parrish. Takes it into the teeth of the D and converts the way. Pass to Rodman. Kicks it to Jordan. And Jordan slams it home.
Oh, my goodness. The creativity, the athleticism of Michael Jordan.
Bird outside. Pocket 6.
The defense has done a good job of forcing him in tough shots this quarter. And
Bird outside. Celtics passing it around. McHale misses.
he usually takes advantage of D like that. Should have been a simple layup.
Yeah, they're going to have a nice little run here.
And the first time out of the game called for Chicago. Started by McHale. Outside Pippen. From deep three-point range, Parrish grabs the board. Parrish has got his 4th rebound in this one. Bird with it. Guarded now by Dennis Rodman. Got that bucket in no time at all. Bird's got 6 points. McHale against Rodman. Now here's Jordan. He's tightly guarded. Chalk up 2 there.
And the perils of trying to defend Jordan.
From deep. They get it again. Oh, and he overdid it there. Too much force, it looked like, on the foul, and he's called for the flagrant.
And Kevin, I got to tell you, he's probably fortunate to just get a flagrant 1 there.
Bird outside. Over to the left wing. Here's Seasting. Sinks the triple. And the Celtics lead by 6. Michael Jordan on the wing. And Boston with the rebound. We've got 1:55 left to play in the first quarter. And here's Bird for 3. And the Celtics hit again from deep.
Wow.
High arcing shot. Here's Walton. And that would have counted, but his shot was off the mark this time. And that does it for the first quarter. Boston on top, up by 4. And the second quarter will be on the way when we come back. Check out the lineups courtesy of Gatorade, all fueled up and ready to go. Here's the second quarter of play. So for Chicago right now, they've got Harper, Bushler out there, Tony Kukoc. Then it's Pippen, and it's Simpkins in at the center position. Bulls moving the ball around. Here's Pippen. Uses the glass to finish the layup. Pippen's got his third basket of the night.
Put on the board.
Johnson dishes to Walton. The shot's good on the assist by Johnson. And the rejection by Pippen.
And it's always been about the effort defensively for Pippen, known as a stopper and a fantastic shot blocker to boot.
The penalty. Jordan, he's checked in for Ron Harper. Jordan up top. Ainge covering. And the rejection by Parrish. Longley, and finished off by Longley.
What a fantastic finish there on the break.
Look at that awareness. Such a heads up.
Now, here is Ainge. Over Jordan. The shot's good from Ainge.
Okay, that's the shot he loves. I mean, unless there's a guy right in his jersey, he's going to convert.
Kerr, the pass to Rodman. Inside, here's Jordan. Some nice ball movement by the Bulls. And it's Steve Kerr knocking it down from long range. A floater. And it's Chicago with the rebound. Rodman's got his fourth rebound in this one. All going up court. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul. Robert Parrish picks one up there. For Chicago, they have shot 9 of 11 at the free throw line. Bird, he's checked in for Boston. Both free throws good from Longley. Ainge against Jordan. Feeds to McHale. Rodman grabs the miss. Rodman's got rebound number 5 here tonight. And that one's good by Pippen. Pippen's got 10 points in the quarter.
And obviously his momentum from the last game has carried over here tonight.
Rodman. It's Jordan on the wing. And then slammed in by Jordan.
And right there you see how quickly MJ gets into the air. Yet another one of his natural gifts.
Rodman against Bird. Chicago grabs the miss. Longley's got his 6th rebound on the night. Here's Pippen. Rebounded by McHale. Celtics trail by 4. And here's Bird. He's got 11. And that one drops for him. Bird's got 13.
No hesitation to get it to the rim. He uses his height advantage to convert the easy one.
Pass to Sally. Now here's Jordan. Down low. Harper. A shot. No good. Excellent D there from Parrish. Here's Johnson. It's good. This game is all even. Johnson's got his first points of the night. Now here is Ainge. Knocked loose. And here we go. The Bulls fast break. Harper's shot's good.
Don't have the reverse in their arsenal.
Here's Sally. Outside Jordan. Shot clock at 6. Looks good. Is good. That's his 7th basket in 12 tries.
I love his shot selection today. He set the bar for the rest of the team.
Kerr against Ainge. Nice ball movement by Boston. From deep 3-point range, kept alive by Boston. It's good on the putback. Shoots over Bird. Jordan's shot is off. A chance here to retake the lead. Pass to Bird. Over Jordan. A miss that time. And the last second attempt doesn't fall. And so it's tied as we head to halftime. And join us right back here after the break for the start of the second half.
It's the 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Hey again, Ernie Johnson with Shaquille O'Neal and Kenny the Jet Smith. The NBA playoffs are happening, and we're happy to have you here for the halftime show. And guys, for the Bulls, getting out to a 2-0 lead in the series would mean so much to them. And it looks like this game could go down to the wire trying to achieve that goal. This game is definitely still up for grabs, the way these two teams are battling. And Shaq, what did you see out there from the Bulls?
They're getting out-rebounded by a Shaq-sized margin, really big. From the get-go, they did not show enough effort. Usually when you're being out-rebounded like that, you're 10, 15 points behind, so things could definitely be worse.
And over to Kenny. What did you think about Boston?
They obviously came in wanting to push the action. And so far, so good. They're looking to get easy transition baskets because the other team is not getting back on defense.
And that does it for our halftime show. We now take you back to Kevin Harlan for the start of the third period.
It's all in by the Bulls.
And the activity he shows around the rim is why he is such a respected defender.
Yeah, you can see why he's established that reputation. Strong understanding of how to defend at the rim.
Celtics trail by 4, just about a minute and a half into the third quarter of basketball. Up top, Bird, 5 on the clock. A fadeaway. Score of the basket is 5th of the game. He's missed 6 shots against those 5. Ainge against Harper to the middle. It's stolen by Rodman. Outside Pippen. Kicks it to Harper. Passes it to Longley. Jordan with it. Defended by... Oh, wow!
Nice! Man, the body control and focus. I mean, Jordan able to draw the foul and still finish the basket.
First trip to the free throw line for him tonight. Now here's Johnson. Bird outside. Pippen with the steal. Goes up. And then Pippen slams it in.
He's going to put that one in his scrapbook. Insane dunk.
And now they're starting to rub it in. Build up a lead, and here we go, baby. It is showtime. Pass to Bird. Just 5 to shoot. Looking to end the run. And a lot of contact on that one, so he'll shoot 2 here.
Yeah, and every generation or so, a player comes along who can be considered a true superstar. Folks, that's Larry Bird.
First trip to the line for him here. Bird against Pippen. Off target there. That would have pushed the lead to double digits. Here's Johnson. He can't get that one to fall. So the Bulls will take it the other way. Jordan, the pass to Rodman. And then Rodman with the dunk.
Yeah, and this is what happens when you have a scorer like Jordan on the floor. He attracts all that.
There's Walton. Back to Johnson. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Pass to Walton. Over Edwards. Again, the miss by the Celtics. Now the Bulls with it. They're on a 15-4 run right now. Ball up for the Celtics. They trail by 11. And the lead is down inside single digits. Johnson's got his second basket of the game. The pass to Jordan. And the dunk by Jordan.
And there are nights it really doesn't matter what you do defensively. MJ is going to score, and this is looking like one of those nights.
On the wing, Johnson, defended by Kerr. Johnson, the pass to Bird, tipped away. Hands with the ball out of bounds. Jordan touched it last. On the wing, Bird, guarded by Jordan.
Yeah, locked down D. When Jordan really gets after it, his athleticism can be overwhelming. They've been the better rebounding team by a healthy margin, but it hasn't been enough.
Right side, Jordan. Out left of the wing. 5 on the clock. Kerr can't hit.
Oh, he's not going to miss that shot twice in a row. Trust me.
Ainge against Kukoc to the inside. Grab, that's good.
Pick works well there.
Dennis Johnson's checked in for Wedman. Right side, Kukoc. The baseline J. And he knocks down the jumper. And the Bulls lead by 6. Johnson outside. Passes it to Bird. Another shot. He takes it up and lays it in. Bird. And some nice ball movement here by Chicago. And the bucket is good. 3-point play chance here for him.
Well, with the role he's on this quarter, they're going to keep going to him and get that lead even bigger.
And this is his second trip to the line in the game.
Of their performance.
Now here's Bird. He's got 17. Offensive rebound. Here's Rab. Here's Walton. Count it. And he'll have a chance for a 3-point play. It's going to go on Steve Kerr. There's the pass to Bushel. To the paint. Here's Jordan. And slam dunk by Jordan.
Yeah, and what you love about Kukoc, the versatility on offense.
He kicks it to Ainge. 6 on the shot clock. The Celtics need to get a shot off. And there's Johnson. That's good on the assist by Ainge. Ainge has got 4 assists now tonight. Right back after this break. And it's time to bring up the State Farm assist of the game.
And how about the big fella here showing us he's got some point guard skill here with the tremendous setup.
This is where the NBA's headed. I mean, multi-dimensional big men. That was just a beautiful pass.
Passes it to Kukoc. Rebounded by the Celtics. Parrish has got the glass covered here tonight. 11 boards for him. That ties it up. Bird's got 21 in the game.
I mean, they trust his judgment and ability to score down the stretch.
Now here's Pippen. Back to Rodman. Pass to Kerr. From deep 3-point range. Great positioning on the putback.
Another bucket down low.
Rodman kicks to Pippen. Tries it from 19. And foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance at the line. And the first one at the line is good. James Edwards checked in for Chicago. For Steve Kerr. Boston also with the sub. McHale's checked in. Kukoc hits them both.
We're still waiting for that first miss from the line this half.
Harper against Johnson. And it's been a while, but he finally gets one to go. To Kukoc. Pippen is doubled. Stolen by Bird. And here they come. Here's Johnson. Great play by Bird to set it up. Outside, Rodman. Bulls moving the ball around. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off.
Oh, that's some skill on that assist. I mean, the timing has to be perfect on a new pass.
To the middle, here's Bird. Beautiful dish, and the layup goes down. Bird.
In time again.
McHale, and it goes down 2 points.
That's their 3rd straight make off an assist.
On the wing, Kukoc. Harper against Johnson. Tries again. In deep. Pippen drops it in. 22 points for him.
Yeah, nothing too fancy. Just getting the job done when they need to. Make every possession count.
And it's Bird with the jam. Now here's Pippen. Passes it to Kukoc. It's Pippen on the wing. It's stolen by McHale. And a fast break now for the Celtics, so they take the lead.
And really keeping the ball hopping around here offensively.
Chicago calls timeout. Okay, well, let's check in with David Aldridge, who's reporting from the sideline.
Well, I was able to listen in on what Chicago's coach was going over with the team. With this game in the balance, he really came after his guys. He said, this is our time. Right now, be in the moment with each other. Do your job, and I promise you we'll win this game.
Back to Ainge. Clock at 6. Here's McHale. Some solid defense by Rodman. To the inside. And it's Pippen slamming it down.
Oh, it's all about the assist on that play. He puts it in the perfect spot.
Just 5 to shoot. It's tipped. Now,
you know what, guys, and they're playing with a certain amount of assuredness in their game. That type of confidence is what leads teams to having success. And one step ahead of the defense with that solid screen.
and then Greg, the monster dunk to finish it off. Picked his pocket. Jordan double clutches in mid-flight.
Yeah, reading the defense, knowing exactly what's needed at each moment. That's one of Jordan's unsung talents.
Harper against Johnson. Pass to Parrish. 6 to shoot. They need this. That one doesn't drop. And Chicago will go the other way with the ball. Jordan, the pass to Rodman. Pops it up for Jordan. Takes the alley-oop pass and dunks it down.
Nice play, and you can see they're gathering momentum.
Yeah. Cohesive team over this stretch, and that helps account for their lead.
Now a timeout called. And now let's present our Jordan player of the game, Michael Jordan.
And Kevin, it's a no-brainer. He's controlled every aspect of this game, and it's just so fun to see a player perform at a level that's just higher than anyone else out on the floor.
Some players rise to the occasion in the playoff spotlight, and some wilt under it. We know which type he is. What a stunning night for him. And stolen by Jordan. All alone. That's a great dunk.
Athletic.
Wow.
And they've done some nice work as we've come down the stretch here.
Parrish kicks to Johnson. The Celtics working the ball around now. Count that one. Bird's got 10 points now just in this quarter.
He's ramped up his game in a big way this quarter.
Pippen against Bird. Feeds it to Rodman. Here's Jordan. That shot off. Good D by Ainge. Celtics trail by 8. Passes it to McHale. Inside, Johnson. McHale trying to free himself. And it's Johnson that time on the... Pippen, the pass to Rodman. To the paint. Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws. First one falls for him. And both free throws good for Pippen.
And typically not this reliable at the line, but tonight he's been terrific.
Johnson against Harper. Another steal. Fast break. Here comes Chicago. And it's good. Assisting on the play was Jordan. Jordan's got 4 assists now tonight. Johnson with it. Down low. Here's Bird. And it's Bird with the jam. McHale trying to free himself. And so it looks like the Celtics will retain possession here. 1:16 left in the fourth quarter. And he misses the first one. Boy, he wanted that one to fall. Tony Kukoc, he's checked in for longer. And Steve Kerr is subbed in for Harper. Jordan against Ainge. And here's Kerr from the arc. Bangs home the trifecta.
The man has no heart, and that's poor defense for a team that...
Pippen against Bird. Pippen kicks to Kukoc. Great look, but off the mark. And so it's Chicago winning this one. And this win puts them squarely in the driver's seat in this series. Up now, Greg, 2-zip with all the momentum on their side.
I mean, in fantastic shape right now. If they can capitalize on this victory and win Game 3, you can just about put this series to bed.
You got it. Well, that'll do it for now. Glad you could join us during this first round of the Eastern Conference playoffs. For Chris Webber, Greg Anthony, and David Aldridge, this is Kevin Harlan saying thanks for watching. So long and good night, everyone.